What is your biggest Uno reverse? My ex-husband and I tried conceiving for 9 years. Right after getting married, he expressed his desire to start a family. I did the blood work, checkups, etc. I was healthy, but somehow we can't conceive a baby. We can't afford going through IVF due to financial difficulties. He refused to get a checkup because he said he is perfectly fine. There was so much pressure on my end because I wanted to please him and I wanted a baby too. We tried for 9 years and did everything. The last cycle we tried, I asked him to drive me to CVS to buy a pregnancy test, and he told me that if this comes out negative, he will divorce me because there was no point in being together if I can't give him a child. I remember feeling nervous and scared at the same time. Got home, took the test, it was negative. I cried in the bathroom thinking my life is over. I felt nothing but worthless at that time. He then told me that I wasted his time and that no man will marry ever again because I am a useless wife. 3 years after the divorce, I got married again and got pregnant. I heard he got married again and had a hard time conceiving until they found out he is infertile. Later on, his wife divorced him.